In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy from Alibaba and ship to Ghana. First, open your browser and go to Alibaba.com. This is a global business-to-business marketplace where suppliers list products for wholesale and retail quantities. Make sure you're on the official site and that your connection is secure. You may be prompted to sign in or create an account before placing an order, which is normal. If you see an option to set your ship to location, selecting Ghana early can help show more accurate shipping estimates later. Next, scroll through the homepage or use the search bar to find the product you want. Type in a clear keyword, then refine your results using filters like minimum order quantity, price range, and supplier features. It's smart to look for trade assurance and verified supplier badges, read recent reviews, and scan product photos and specifications to confirm the item matches your needs. When you spot a product that looks right, click into the listing. This opens the product detail page where you can review variants such as color, size, or model, check the minimum order quantity, and read the description closely. Look at processing times and whether the supplier ships to Ghana. Many do, but it's always worth verifying. If you have questions, you can message the supplier from this page. Now click Start Order. This begins the purchase flow and usually shows you options to select your quantity and any variants. You should also see shipping options or at least a prompt to enter your address to calculate freight. Trade assurance orders provide an extra layer of protection, so keep an eye out for that label. Next, click on Details of Order. This is where you review the breakdown: product price, shipping charges, estimated delivery time, and any discounts. Carefully confirm the model, color, and total quantity. Remember that import duties and taxes for Ghana are not typically included in the item price. The courier or customs may charge these on arrival, so plan your budget accordingly. If the page refreshes or a pop-up flashes and disappears, simply click Start Order again to reopen the checkout flow. Sometimes the site reloads or requires a second confirmation. This is normal. When prompted, enter your Ghana address. Fill in the recipient name, street address with a clear landmark if helpful, city, region, and a valid postal code. If you use a Ghana Post GPS code, include it in the address line. Add a reachable phone number so the courier can contact you for delivery. Double check everything to avoid delays. That's it. With your order details and Ghana address confirmed, you're ready to move through Alibaba's checkout and coordinate shipping with the supplier. Keep communication on platform, track your order, and you'll have a smoother delivery experience.